Hi guys, so welcome back to Design with Karthik. So this video is all about project. Okay, so there are a couple of projects which I consider till date as a milestone project in my career. So this video is all about one project which I have did in 2019, and right from starting till the end I was part of this project, and this project is definitely a milestone project in my career. So come on, let's get started. Definitely this video is going to be helpful for everyone. It is not that I am going to showcase my own portfolio to you, my own project to you. In case in future, if suppose if you are going to uh, enter into such a product, if you have been asked to design, or you are going to be a designer for some of this such type of event related project, then this video will be definitely helpful for you. I am going to give you a complete insight about where we started, how we started, and where we move ahead. So Tamilar Tiruvula is a traditional 3-day event which is conducted in Coimbatore, Codicea ground at Coimbatore, which is mainly their main focus is to bring back the lost Tamil culture. They were started somewhere in 2018 it was there. We were part of the third edition, and this project I have done this project when I was in Webumba, okay, the digital marketing agency. That is my second company. Okay, so now I'm not part of this company. Okay, so this project I did in that company. Mr. Varun is the one who has taken this client and given to us. So he was the one pioneer on bringing this project to us. So then he explained me the what all we need to do for this project. Then I take away this project, and this it is unbelievable. It is a great journey for me because the way we started from zero and we end up in bringing so many customers to the event. The main focus of this event is to bring the audience to the event. Okay, so that is the main focus. So what all we did to bring that customers is what we are going to see in this thing. So it is not that we have done the pre promotion only we have done. It is not the case. We have done complete outdoor advertising on the day of event. Whatever hoarding is going to be there, that entire hoarding we have did. We have did the complete social media branding, complete pre promotion what all we need to do, and complete post promotion what all we need to do. Everything has been done by us. So I'm telling we, so I'm the part of design team. Okay, so completely all the design, whichever design you are going to see in this presentation is done by me. Okay, 100% it is done by me. It is not just a design because I'm the only designer at that point of time in the company. So completely all the design was done by me, and there was a separate team for social media promotion. There was a person called Mr. Muthu who is in taking care of this promotional kind of stuff in Facebook, and Mr. Varun is a overall factor of coordination who speaks to clients and get in the information and share with us. So these are the three major pillars of this project, and let's see. Okay, so where it started, how it started. Okay, so just like that, Mr. Varun came and told me that we need to design a brochure for this Tamila Tiruvula. Okay, so this brochure design will decide whether the client is going to keep us or not. Okay, so this brochure design is something which has captured the client attention, and they have given us the complete package for us. Okay, so this is that brochure which we have started, which is a starting point of this project. So Tamla Tirula project, they want to approach the sponsor. So to get the sponsorship, they need this brochure. So that is the main objective of this brochure. So the main page, the best part of this entire project is the brochure is a deciding factor of this project. So that is one point is clear, and I have stick to this design, I have stick to this concept. You can see this art forms. Luckily the client himself has created different art form. They have made different art forms with the help of sketch artist. So they gave me all this bullock cart driving, this all the persons. You can see the different art forms. Okay, it is very difficult to get anywhere in internet. These all the old Tamil traditional art forms. Okay, let it be silambam, let it be karagam, these all the traditional art forms. So they have hired the sketch artist and they have given me this art form in a PNG format. So I have tried to capture those elements in most of the creatives. Okay, because I don't know how much hours they have spent for creating the sketch artist. It is definitely not easy for drawing such stuff. They have done it and they given me a digital version PNG format to me. So I have tried to use in most of the design, and this flower kind of this entire arrangement you will see in most of the hoardings or brochures or whatever thing. I have taken this as a one what you call one brand element for Tamila Tirula, and I have used in most of the factors. So this brochure is a deciding factor for them, and this brochure is what I kept as a brand element and used for the so many creatives. Okay, so and also I have stick to this color theme. Okay, I don't want mostly that for portraying Tamil culture. They there are so many. I have done so many research, and I feel that most are going for this orange or soil type of color to portray that Tamil culture or some traditional thing. But I want to look something modern also, so I have not completely avoided yellow and orange thing. I have taken yellow and orange, but I have taken it very subtle way, and I want to showcase the modernized feel to this brochure also. So I have gone for this color, different color. Also, that festive element should be there. So that festive element also I have considered in this. So this is the opening page, and if you see, this is the second screen. So this is just about explaining the different what is Tamila Tirula and how many years they are doing this. So this is the different, and also the main purpose of this brochure is to get the sponsors. So that also we have tried to highlight it here. So it is a mix and match of Tamil and English content. Okay, and also one more good thing which client has given me given us is they have great photographs. Okay, so they are the last to previous, this is the third edition, so first edition and second edition they have taken a good quality photograph, and that has really helped me in not only in brochure design but in upcoming social medias also. I'll showcase that one by one. And this is the what there are three, this is a 3-day event. So first day is Isai Sangamam, second day is Unavu Sangamam, third day is Adigalam. Later on they have changed it. Okay, what is that? There is one more thing where the News 18 channel has come into picture, and they have started giving the award function. Ulavan Virudugal was the award function which they have given at that point of time. So that was also included, and there was change in agenda later on. But this was the time when the brochure was designed. This was the major 3-day segregation thing, and the list of sponsor. They want to be a title sponsor. What is the amount? What all the benefits they'll be getting? So everything is covered here. And as I told, they have made this art form. I want to showcase this art form most wherever possible. I like to showcase this art form. It is not that I'm overpowering the design. I want to showcase in the design, but it should be a subtle way. It should be not affecting the content, or it should not be difficult to read. So I am maintain that in a footer element. You can see the second page also I maintain in a footer element, and next page also I maintain in a footer element, and wherever possible I try to include the real photographs also. And this is the final page where the contact information is very clear, and also the group photo of the previous year which they have given I have tried to include it. So this is the brochure, this is the sponsorship brochure. This brochure becomes a deciding factor for us doing this project, and the elements which I captured in this, the design element which I captured in this brochure, I have kept as a brand element, and I have used it for, I used for the other upcoming designs also. Okay, so this brochure was the event is on January 15, and this brochure we have started on October, and we got approval at the mid of November. So from November end we have started creating our own graphics for social medias, outdoor advertising, so many things which I'll be covering upcoming one by one. Once a project got approved, we did some brainstorming thing, and we had this three main question in this mind: how we are going to communicate to the audience about the event, how we are going to bring audience to the event, and what is the scope of work. Okay, so the main purpose of this event, main purpose of we doing design or we doing branding is for promotion purpose. Being in the third edition, we need to overtake the participants, the number of attendees compared to the first two editions. So that is our target. So that is the main focus for all the stuffs which we are going to do. Okay, so we have come up with several ideas. Okay, we have come up with the promotional videos. Okay, so video has this pulling power, and video is the first point of attraction for any event. Okay, if you are going to communicate to the audience, if you are going to reach in higher scale, larger scale, then promotional videos is the best part to be done. And second thing, before the event, just before 1 month of the event the client itself has planned for a pre-launch event. Okay, so that launch event is just like that. It is not launch event. They are going to conduct some tournament which is again portraying the Tamil culture. Adipuli tournament. Adipuli is a game which is very famous in the old tradition of Tamil Nadu. Okay, but still it is not, it is getting lost. I mean, now most people are playing mobile games, but they are not playing this Adipuli, or they are not playing the lost traditional games of Tamil Nadu. So this event was something which is related to that. And also we have planned to do some website promotion. Then social media strategy, it will be starting from the November end, which means from December 1 we need to start social media promotional, and we need to bring the audience, we need to drive traffic from the social media to the event. So that is the strategy which we allocated for social media. And finally, event branding complete. It is not just outdoor advertising. We have asked to do ticket to coupons, flyers, promotional flyers, newspaper ads, magazine ads, the ads which are coming in the back of buses, autos, everything we were asked to do it. So everything was part of that event branding. Okay, so this is the promotional video which we have started. This promotional video we have launched as a campaign in Facebook also and Instagram also. We have promoted it. So now come on, let's watch this video and come back. Hope so you might have seen this video. So this is the promotional video. This is the first teaser video which we have launched for this Tamila Tiruvila. And this video we have promoted on Instagram, Facebook, and all the social media. We have promoted this video. It is not the case that we have done only the promotional video in the social media platform. We have created a theatrical video, which means a small, when during the ad break, during the intermission time, there are some ads which used to showcase on the theaters. Just go and watch this video and we'll come back. You might have watched this video. So this is not the video which is similar to the teaser video. This is just like a slideshow type of video. So since this is occurring in the event is occurring at the Coimbatore, the client has targeted only the theaters in the Coimbatore alone, because the person who is going to attend the event is mostly in and around Coimbatore only. So we have targeted the theater audience of that city alone, and we have showcased this theatrical video. And it is not just the case that we have showcased the theatrical video alone. We have created a digital signage board. Same thing, the same video, only the format we have changed it, and we have made it in a digital signage type of video slideshow. That also will be in different places in the malls. So next thing is this pre-promotional event. Okay, so just before 1 month, the client has planned to run a pre-promotional event which is Adipuli tournament. So that is also it is occurring in the same Prozone mall. So that the theatrical video, digital signage, and this tournament is also occurring in the mall to gain the audience. Okay, to gain the audience and to communicate the audience about the event. So the winner of this tournament has been given a free ticket or free pass for the 3 days event. So this is the main banner which we have created for this event. So this banner we have used in social media. We have used as a backdrop also. I'll share you the one screenshot now. Okay, you'll be seeing it now. In that screenshot you can see the backdrop is of this same Adipuli tournament backdrop. Okay, the same promotion, this same one banner we have created for social media. We have used as a backdrop, and we have used as the, in the end there is something where we need to communicate the winners. So in that, for the communicating the winners also, we have keep the same template, only the pattern, only the content we have changed it and we have promoted it. And also to create the buzz for this event, this was conducted by Adavan. He is one of the famous celebrity anchor. Okay, so he is the one who has hosted this event. So to promoting indirectly we are promoting the event, and indirectly we are promoting this that celebrity is coming for the event, so the number of participant will be also higher, on a higher side. So we have created a post for him also. Okay, so indirectly we are giving a sponsorship for the event also, and also we have created a buzz around the audience about this Audible tournament also. So such type of banner, such type of post we have created, and also we have asked the celebrity to give a few words about the event, and we have posted that in a social media post. This is how we have successfully launched this pre-promotional event. And the participant of this pre-promotional event, we have tried to bring back the participant to our main Tamila Tiruvila event. Okay, and also the second step which we have promoted in website is we need to have the person, the event has to be successful only if there are number of stalls are present. Okay, there needs to be a different types of stalls should be there. Okay, since this is the third edition, there are some default stalls, because the person who is coming from the first edition will be definitely coming for the third edition, so that is not an issue for us. But we need to bring out a new type of stalls also. So that's where we run this stall booking poster. Okay, this is the creative which was done by me, and we have tried to promote it. We tried to use this creative and promote in websites, in social media platform, to get the different stalls for the event. Okay, so if you see the creative part, see, this is the main theme which I started, which I designed in a brochure. So the same theme I continuously use for so many other posters. I kept this constant thing, and only this pattern alone, the background element or the main lettering pattern, the main content alone I have changed it, but this I have kept as a brand element to connect that this poster belongs to a Tamila Tiruvila. And also the below font also I have stick to the 2 or 3 font. Promito is one font which I continuously use for all the designs. So there is no specific brand guide for this Tamila Tiruvila, but indirectly I on the start of the project still I have created my own brand guide and my own brand style also, and created for all the posters, so which really helps the audience to connect that this belongs to Tamila Tiruvila event. Okay, so then comes the social media strategy. So first strategy which we used is communicate. Okay, so this is the first poster. Actually there are 2 teaser video. One teaser video which you have seen in the start, that was the first thing which we have launched it. Just watch it and come back. This video also is a short teaser video which creates a buzz around the event. Luckily, as I told earlier, the client has their pictures. The client has some small snaps of the previous event snaps. Okay, so rather using, I have never used any stock footage for this stock footage or stock photos for this brand, because the client has everything. They have given me the picture, they have given me the last year video. Okay, so that has really helped me in creating short teaser. I can't show all the teaser, because then the presentation and this video will be a stretchy thing. Okay, there are 3 things. Unavu Sangamam is there, Isai Sangamam is there, Adugalam is there. For these 3 things separately we have created a poster, created a video, created a teaser, and we have promoted in different means. Okay, the main reason which has really eased our work is they had the video of last year, they have the short videos. Every year they hired a professional photographer and videographer for taking the video, so which has really helped us a lot in promoting stuffs. Okay, the first strategy we have used is to communicate. Okay, so this is also one hashtag culture games post. This is a hashtag which we try to tell about the event. We are trying to inform about what is this event is about. So this event is purely about bringing back the last edition of Tamil Nadu. So that is a one line about the event. Okay, so we are trying to we are trying to create some buzz about the old traditional art forms. Okay, Silambam, Karagam, Poikal, Kudirai, Melam. There are so many other stuffs. If you I will share you I have shared the Instagram link of Tamila Tiruvila in the description, so you might have seen the entire strategy what we have followed for social media post. Okay, so this is one part of that. Okay, so luckily we have this art form. This art form is what I have used in the brochure. If you see around the flower, these are the art forms which I have used in the brochure. So the same art forms I have taken it, I have created in a different, we have created a different strategy. Okay, different type of design I have created. And if you see, the pattern of the design seems to be constant, because it really is my work. And also the post is also looking neat and professional. Okay, I created a sets of unique template for this hashtag. So for example, if it is a culture game post, the template will be common for all. Okay, only thing I will be changing is that images and the content. Okay, so like that I have maintained a constant template, which really is my work. And also it really it doesn't look monotonous also, because the images which I am using is something different, and the art form is also, they are given me that art form PNG image, so I just directly I'm putting that image and just minor tweaks of color correction here and there and done it. Okay, and one thing, this picture frame is something, we have lot of picture, we have at least 100 plus picture is there. So we have to post regularly on Instagram to maintain the consistency. Only then regularly there will be updates getting on the Instagram, but every day we can't create a new post, or every day we can't what we can't create this contest post or this hashtag kind of post. So what we have did is, every day there will be at least 3 photographs from Tamil Tirula, and what we have done is we have just maintained, we have just created this frame. For example, this frame Tamil Tirula, bottom this will be there, and this small Pongal festival related icon will be there. That frame alone and we have created, and every day there will be different images coming on there, and we have posted on the social media, so that whenever the person this sharing of photos really increase the number of followers and number of attendees to the event also. Because once there is a regular update coming from the team, coming from the page, okay, so it really triggers the audience, especially those who are there in inner around Coimbatore, to attend the event. So that has really helped us a lot, and it saves our time also. Suppose if you are going to conduct the event, make sure you share at least one photograph about the event every day, at least 2 months prior to the event. Make sure you share at least one image, at least 1 or 2 images every day. Just put your logo and place a date, everything, and just share it. It will be really helpful for getting the followers, especially if you are doing it on Instagram. Do share number of photos. Okay, it really helps to gain the followers, and in the end you'll get more attendees attending your event. Again, first strategy is to communicate. So this picture is communicating, this the information about the informative post is communicating, but we also need to engage the audience. Okay, by social media, how we can increase the count, how we can increase the number of attendees to the event. So that we have done with the some of the contest or engagement post. Okay, so question of the week, varam oru kelvi means question of the week. So every week there is one question which is something related to the Tamil culture. And also there were, our content team is also had done a good research in finding out the question. The question is not that very tough and not that very easy, but in the end, if you when they look into the answer, oh, this is the stuff. Okay, it is an informative type of question has been asked, and also it connects to the culture also. Same way, the question of the week has been done, and luckily we have got a great number of sorry, luckily we got great number of responses. Okay, there are different responses, and in the end the winner will be announced again on the page. Okay, again it will be winner will be again announced on the page, and the winner will get the free pass for the event. So by this it is just a simple concept. Question of the week is a simple concept which many social media which social media pages follow, but we also followed it and really worked. Okay, so but only thing which matter in the question of the week is the content. The question which you choose should not be a greater, it should not be very tough or very easy. At the same time, you should connect to your brand also, it should connect to your event also. So that content team has done really a great job here. And if you see design part, same template. Okay, so every week there will be some 2 to 3 posts on Varamolekali. First post will be the question of the day post, and after 2 days we'll announce the answer. So that will be the answer post, and after that we'll be announcing the winner. So that will be three posts in a week. Okay, so but if you see the template, if you see the back template, it will be same. And even the picture frame, if you see, they're same thing. Okay, the brand consistency I have tried to maintain in all the post. Okay, the logo placement will be at the same place or all the post. Okay, if you see that this small footer type of that part, pongal part, that will be at the same place in all the posts. So brand consistency I try to maintain it. everywhere. And also if you see the every week on, you can see the Instagram page. If you see every week on week, the consistency of the same template will be followed for everywhere, which really saves my time. At the same time, we try to keep that consistency, and we also try to keep that brand guide also. Okay, then the other contest, engagement post is caption contest. This is also, this we could have created as a post also, but we thought, okay, we can do something different, and we created a small video for it. Okay, so we have this. Then the photograph also, it belongs to this for previous year Tamil Tirula photograph. Okay, so that has really, that's what I am not used a single stock photo in this entire project, because they have a good number of photographs. Okay, so that photograph really helped us, and that photograph, luckily we got a more caption, and we have announced the winner, what is the winning caption, and we have announced the winner also. These type of contest posts have really helped us in getting more engagement. Okay, and this is one of the favorite personal favorite, or I can say the best social media post which we have done for this. Okay, so it is like it is like a gamification game. It gives a game feel. Okay, only just simple, there will be a cow running everywhere. Okay, but the person has to correctly at the exact time, he need to make a screenshot, and what he has to, that when the cow is at the center in that line graph, he need to make a screenshot, and need to share, take the photo, and he need to share with the comment. So the lucky winner will be getting the free ticket pass. Okay, so this game type will has again helped us to create a huge number of engagements. Okay, there are so many people commenting that they used to share the photographs in the comments also in Facebook. Facebook, if you see, there will be some person will be commenting with the photographs also, or some people are sending us in a direct message the photograph. So it is really great engagement. Really, these engagement posts try to increase the head counts for the event. Okay, now then comes the about the event. Okay, so luckily there are one thing, like three things. Okay, one thing is Sendil and Rajalakshmi, who is a celebrity singers, and they are going to come for that. Isai Sangamam was there on one of the particular days, so they are going to be there for that event. And News 18 is going to conduct this Ulavan Virdigal, and before that Virdigal, Velmurugan, Thiru Velmurugan, or Mr. Velmurugan, is going to come for the and come and do some concert, some Tamil songs concert. Okay, so that is going to there. So these two celebrities are going to come for the event, so we try to promote with these two celebrities. And also the major attraction for any of the event will be the food. Okay, so that also, here they are going to give a virund, which means a fest of food, of different non-veg fest of food, which is really a main attraction for this event. So that also we try to promote it in a different way. Okay, we have created a short video about it. We have created a short video about all this tree itself. It is just a poster. I created a poster, and I tried to convert it to a GIF animation, so that I don't need to create a different altogether different job for video and job for post. So I create one particular static post, and I try to make it dynamic and add songs to it. So that's why I try to create I try to bring out more engagement. So just go and watch the video and come back.
இந்த போறப்பு தான் நல்லா ருசிச்சு சாப்பிட கிடைச்சது. ஆஹா ஆஹா, அத நினைச்சுத்தான் மனோபோலகம் முழுவதும் பருக்குது.
The music is really a highlighting factor for the food poster, because because that song has really connected to this poster really well, and I got as a design I got a lot of appreciation for that poster alone. The client appreciate, and some of the client friends has called the client, and they got what excited on seeing this seeing that video. So that is really a great thing for us. Okay, great thing for a designer, especially when you get the appreciation from the some unknown person who is nowhere connected to the design. Your boss might appreciate you, your friends might appreciate you, but if you get the appreciation from some unknown person, that is where the real appreciation lies. Okay, so such type of appreciation I got in this project, especially for this food poster. Food poster is just a simple poster, but the video and music sync has really worked well, and that has created a buzz. Okay, so finally these are the social media strategies, and finally these are the some of the event related hoardings which I'm going to showcase you. As I told right from the starting, brochure is one design element which I fixed as a brand guide, and I have used the common element for almost most of the poster. So if you see, this is one poster which communicate about the 3-day event, what is there. Okay, later on they have changed as Adugalam Makkal Isai Ulavan Vidal. These are the 3-day event, so that I have changed it, and that we have used in this poster. And sponsorship, the sponsorship is where we have faced the huge problem. I'll explain about the thing in the last when I'm explaining about the learning and takeaways. Okay. If you see, the same thing, the same element which I used for brochure, I have just pushed to the corner, and I have changed the main icon. They are differently represented here and there. Okay, so Unavu Sangamam I represented with a different icon, and I placed it in the same. If you see the background pattern also, I try to maintain the same thing. Okay, only the color will be related to that event. So Unavu is mostly that green, that psychology meaning is definitely hidden behind the event also. So color I have chosen based upon the event. Same Adugalam has to be more of soil color, so I have choose that. Okay, but the theme is constant. Same way I did for Ulavan Virdugal also. Yeah, Isai Sangam and Ulavan Virdugal. Same thing I have done for the same thing. Only the color change will be there. Apart from that, mostly the pattern everywhere, it is like a template based design only. Here also if you see, it will be like a template based design. So this is what event related branding. And okay, so this is the newspaper ad. Okay, stall booking, there was one more newspaper ad. This is the other newspaper ad. Okay, so again mostly I've used then the art forms and the color pattern. If you see the stall booking, same color pattern I have used here. Okay, so the sponsorship itself has taken a half of the page. That is what has created a lot of issues towards the end. I'll explain in detail because towards the last. And same thing, this is actually the same video which you have seen. The same video they have asked for a flyer also, which client has definitely not didn't have a plan earlier, but they thought okay, this will be better. Okay, so they have asked for that is a flyer also, so flyer also they have given it. Okay, and this promotional flyer they have try to give in that mall entrance or in any public places. They try to distribute this flyer. And these are the other compliments which we have done for the brand, for the event. Okay, so this is the tickets tokens. Okay, so they want different type of ticket for students, corporate, business professionals. So they have some categories. So client want different types of coupon, although price remains same. For student it will be a free pass, I think so. So although the price remains same, they want to show some variations in the tickets also. So the major variation what we have done is on the color and on the art form. Luckily they have art form for art form PNG files are there, so I try to use in the art form also. Okay, and they want the ticket to be there. So this is one type of ticket, and this is the another type of ticket which you are designed. If you see almost all the thing, the same brand guide will be there. Only thing, the art forms will be different, the color will be different. That is what the same. But apart from that, if you see right from the font and right from the thing, the brand guide I have followed strictly. Okay, and this is the token. Okay, and also they want the food coupon, and the food coupon the same food image I have used it, but I can't the whatever I put in the flyer, that same arrow mark I can't use it here because it looks very clumsy, because the token size is very small compared to the flyer size or the hoarding size. Okay, so I have mentioned it at the back side, and also the client specifically want the sponsorship in this token, so we have added the sponsorship. Okay, so this long video you might have seen Okay, what is this Tamla Tirula event, and what is the design role, what is the other department role, everything I've explained it. So basically, why this video, you may ask me why this video. Okay, it is not just to showcase the this many designs I have done for the project. No, that is not the actual case. Okay, it is one way I'm showcasing my portfolio, that is also right. But another way, if suppose you are the one person who is conducting the event, so what are the ways you can do for promoting the event, that can you can take away from this video. And also, if you are a designer, what in what way you can minimize your work, so still you can deliver more number of quality designs, but at the same time, how you can minimize your workload. So that also I have explained. And if you have no idea, if you are some design agency, if you have no idea how to promote for a business, then you can take away from this video. Okay, whatever we did for Tamla Tiruvilla, don't think about the brand name, just think about Tamla Tiruvilla is an event. So the same event principle work for other event also. You can do better, much better than what we have did also. Okay, so and if you're a graphic designer, you can take away what all design principles or how whatever I have did. So everywhere it will be useful. And this learning takeaway, it is definitely very helpful. Okay, make sure you don't make this mistake. Okay, so the first thing is planning helps. Okay, so definitely we made a solid plan. Mr. Varun, Mr. Muttu, and myself is part of that. Mr. Nivedan is also part of minor design. He has done some few videos also. Okay, so these are the four major members who was part of this event. And BG is the one who is coordinating from the client side. She is the part of Naim Experience, so she is also was there. Okay, so before the starting of the project itself, some good planning was done. Good planning was done from a strategies team, from Varun side, from client side. Everywhere planning was really done. So I know, as a designer, I know what all needs to be done. Okay, still till the last moment we were working under pressure because of the one thing which I'll tell last point. It is covering the last point. Okay, so still there was some last minute hiccups, last minute issue was there, but still planning really helps. If we are didn't do this planning, at least for social media, if we didn't do this planning, then definitely we would have screwed up at the end. Okay, so planning really helps. So have a solid plan before starting of the before at least 2 to 3 months starting in what you are going to do in next 2 months. Please have a solid plan. Okay, and don't start the work towards the end. For event promotion, you can never start towards the end. Even though if you start towards the end, you can run a campaign and you can get the campaign likes and campaign visit, but you are going, if you are there, really the campaign is going to convert into the audiences will be a real challenge. Okay, second point is same, they keep the design element brand visual consistent. It will be easy for us to deploy in a different, as I told, the brochure is the starting point of the starting point of we doing this project. At the same time, that same brochure element brand, that I have fixed that as a brand name and try to take that and represent it in a different way for different holdings. So this way it is easy for me, it saves my time. At the same time, I know the ways how to make the design looks different. At the same time, it doesn't go beyond the brand guide. So that is really a great takeaway which I learned personally from this project. Okay, and I try to implement this methodology for upcoming for other events also. So I stick to one brand guide, I stick to one templates and followed for a 3 to 6 social media posts. So this really saves my time, it really helps me. Okay, and last 2 points is the biggest problem which we have faced towards the end. One thing is, whenever you are doing a event advertising for a hoarding kind of thing, please have a discussion before starting of the hoarding to the printer. Okay, it is not just a hoarding. I'm telling about it. If you are going for a newspaper ad, if you are going for any small hoardings at the backside of auto or buses, please have a discussion with the printer. We know that I need to design in a CMYK format. I know the color should be fitting to the CMYK. I have designed it in CMYK, but the size and the number and the bleed amount of bleed for newspaper, they have a certain pattern. Okay, for if you are going to give for a full newspaper ad, they have separate bleed requirement. Okay, so they have separate bleed requirement. They need to mention that text should not be there. Even though I kept text at least optimum clearance between all the side, but still they want more clearance. So this is really creating design is one thing, but finally getting it printed is really a great challenge thing, which I really faced the biggest problem with the printer towards the end of the thing. Okay, there were so many size mismatches, were there so many things I need to create again. It is, if we are going to make a smaller design big or bigger design small, both is going to create me a problem, and both are going to consume lot of time. We had a plan that before 10 days we should complete the project, but till the last minute of the event, till the last minute they pasting the hoarding in the event, till we were working, we are having the discussion with the printer, and they have printed one hoarding and it has not come right. So so many issues has happened towards the end. So please, whenever you're going for any print related stuffs, even though it is a flyer or brochure will not be that much problem, but if you're going for a bigger scale hoarding or whatever newspaper ad, please have a discussion with printer. And newspaper ad, have a clear guidelines with the newspaper companies also. They have separate requirement, and it is really a great problem especially for designer. Okay, it is really hectic for you. You will be under more stress at that point of time. So be sure you discuss with the printer before starting of the design. Okay, and finally, sponsorship. This the one thing which we forgot at the starting. What we had a plan that there will be definitely sponsors going to come, so we have allocated one single footer type of line element at the bottom, but the number of sponsors is more, and every sponsor name we need to put in the hoardings or brochures, whatever designer we are doing. Every brochure, every sponsor name we need to put in uh, the designs. So the entire layout arrangement of the thing, we have to change it. So almost all the hoardings, the sponsor has created a problem, and I need to change the alignment, layout, everything for the designs. So leave, the biggest advice is, whenever you're going for a event related hoardings, leave at least 3/4 of the page for sponsor. Let it be more space. If you leave more space, there is not at all a problem. You can arrange, you can bring back, you can do something. But if you leave less space, then the entire design is going to go haywire. Okay, so make sure you leave more space. And for the client side also, there is a, I can't say this is a advice, because they also might not help us, because till the last moment they'll be rushing with the sponsorship. Okay, so sometimes in the last minute, if they get a great sponsor amount, we definitely need to put them as a title sponsor. We can't tell this as a client, but as a request we can say, at least try to freeze the sponsorship at least a day before, at least a 2 day before event, so that at least we can complete it and will be not in great pressure. Okay, so it is not possible. It is not possible. Practically it is not possible, but it can be tried out. Okay, but as a designer, please leave at least 3/4 of a design page for sponsor. If it is for a what you say, if it is for a event hoarding. Okay, and one thing which we really forgot is, we forgot in social media, which we have missed to thank all the sponsors. Okay, there should be a one post, at least a post where these are the sponsors, and we, at least after the event, we should have posted that thank you all the sponsors, but we really missed it out. These pointers tried ourselves after many days after the event. Okay, so that is really, we missed it out. The same amount of thing which we have done for a pre-event, we try to miss out during the after the post-event. So that is really a mistake from our end. Okay, but still, next, this is again a learning for us. Okay, so that is what this project is all about. So why this is a milestone project? Very simple. This is the large scale project which you have done. Not large scale, I can't say in terms of value, I'm not telling in terms of money or thing, but the amount of designs, amount of learning, amount of what you call, number of designs, and the main thing why I can tell this is a milestone project is, I learned so many things. Okay, learning is the biggest thing which I got from this project. Okay, I have done holdings, I have done all the design element which I have done previously also, that is not the issue. But how to fix the how to make a template, and how to follow the brand guide for that template. There are so many designs, so many things going on. So whatever way I can ease my work, that is the main thing which I learned from this project. And in the end, the number of attendees is more than the previous year attendees. So that is really a great thing, which even everyone has appreciated us. So definitely this Tamila Tirula will be a milestone project till my end of my life. Yeah. So thank you Tamil team for giving us this project. So it is definitely not my own work. Mr. Varun is the one who bought this project to us. Mr. Muthu is the one who followed all the strategy campaign thing. Mr. Nivedan is the one who helped me in design. Okay, and of course myself. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you everyone for watching this video. So in case if you want any work, any similar work or any collaboration for such type of project, any design related work, you can very well approach me. Okay, thank you, bye, and do subscribe to Design with Karthik for more videos. Bye, thank you.